This is gonna blow your mind. Find your way to success with a diploma in accounting and taxation. India's financial sector is growing fast, and there's a big need for skilled workers right now. This diploma teaches you important skills in Microsoft Office, Advanced Excel, and Tally Prime with GST. Imagine knowing GST rules, financial reporting, and tax planning, skills that make you very valuable to any company. Plus, you'll get real experience with SAP FICO, making you better at global financial management. But it's not just about numbers. Our course also has spoken English classes, improving your communication skills for work. The best part? Graduates can get jobs like accountant, tax consultant, and financial analyst, with top companies like KPMG, Deloitte, and ICICI Bank wanting to hire you. Join the growing group of professionals shaping India's financial future. Sign up for the Diploma in Accounting and Taxation course today. Visit website or call phone number now to start your journey towards a great career.